Hello everyone, my name is Moinuddin Sheikh. I am the founder of Betinel Private Limited. Today I want to present you Synotics, a next generation learning software that will revolutionize the understanding of science. So basically, one of the major problem in India is that the lab infrastructure is not up to the mark. Students have to perform practicals in group rather than individually due to scarcity of resources. And what happens is whenever they perform practicals in group, they don't understand it completely. And the second problem is that whatever practical they perform, they never learn the industrial applications of it. That what is the industrial application of it? What is the use of this in the outside world? So these are some major drawbacks in current education system. So there should be a solution of that, and that solution is will be provided by our software. So basically, we are working on a digital lab. With the help of this lab, students will be able to perform practicals digitally with the help of artificial intelligence and virtual reality. So what's going to happen is this device will be available for will be compatible for each and every devices, whether it is laptop or tablet or mobile. It will be available on all devices. What's going to happen is students can open that app, and based on his academics, like if he's in 9th standard or 10th standard, based on that he'll open the list of experiments and perform those experiments. Now the benefit of that over a physical lab that is available at the institution is that here students can perform practicals as many times as they want, which is a major drawback in physical labs, where students get the chance to perform practicals only once. Second advantage that we have is that there can be some errors like instrumental error or human error in a physical lab, but in a digital lab, no such errors will be there. The results will be up to the mark. It will be 100% accurate. And the third advantage is that there are some chemicals which are very dangerous. There are some experiments which are very dangerous. So in schools or colleges, teachers never teach that. They just give a theoretical understanding of that. But being a digital practical, students can perform those practicals as many times as they want without the fear that they will run out of resources or chemicals. So these are some advantages, or we can say our USP compared to a physical. Our future vision is that after 10 years, India should be a leading name in innovation, and our software Synotics will play a key role in that. Thank you very much.